Hey guys, we're James and Holly and welcome back to a brand new video.
And today we are exploring the walking trails around Adelaide.
So our plan today is actually to go up into some of the nature trails and stuff, up into the mountains again. So we've actually seen that there's a pharmacy here, so we're going to try getting some bug spray because I got a feeling there's probably going to be a lot of mosquitoes and bugs about.
I'll tell you where we are in a moment when I've looked at the sign. We're at Morialta Conservation Park and we're going to go for a walk, and I say this one because it's the shortest.
And the main reason we chose this national park is because I saw that there's a waterfall and that is the walk what Holly has just pointed out. So I'm hoping that we can actually see an awesome waterfall like this. But obviously it is quite hot and stuff at the moment. I don't know if the water's dried up.
We don't have much luck with waterfalls, but this sounds promising. It says, all but in the hottest months of the year, and we're in the beginning of spring, but knowing our luck, it'll be dry. Look, 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 there's a sleeping koala.
I can't believe we haven't even left the car park and we've already seen a wild baby koala. Timed that pretty well then. I managed to get those few shots with nobody in it, and now there's like a whole load of school kids right there.
Next up, we're heading somewhere called Giant's Cave. It's not that giant.
And I am actually very, very impressed with this place. This whole nature reserve area, these cliffs, these trails, these waterfalls, these streams, everything is literally 10 minutes outside of the city of Adelaide. How crazy is that? Now decided to do another little trail. When I say little, I mean steep trail. Whew, this one is like zigzagging up the mountains.
So next on the map, we chose the bright pink line, which said moderate. It's steep.
And if you look really closely over there, you can see another baby koala.
What should we name it?
Maybe we can name that one Christopher.
The last one was Christopher.
Christopher the second. And I just realised then, I keep saying baby koalas. I have no idea if they're babies or fully grown adults. Whatever they are, they're cute and they're fluffy. And they're all snoozing like on all the trees. These views are getting crazy. Look how steep it is down there. Holly, are you happy that we're nearly there?
I am, but it's really steep. That had better be it. I hope there's a bench. So we made it. It was actually totally worth the struggle to walk up. Well, it was a struggle for me. And I don't know if you can see, but down there is Giant's Cave, which wasn't that giant. And over there, which is kind of shady now, is the waterfall. And you can, if you look down here, you can see the bridges, which is like the main bit we walked on. And the car park is away over there.
And what's over there, Holly?
The city! Adelaide City.
Hollie, you excited that now it's all downhill back to the car?
It's pretty steep and I'm pretty scared I'm just gonna like end up scooching down on my bum.
If you live in Australia, this is probably like a normal thing, seeing koalas like all over the place, but for us, we have never seen wild koalas before, so it's kind of crazy to see them just chilling in trees, snoozing. Cute little sausages.
Here at Morialta Conservation Park, and the only 2 walks we did were these 2, but there's still loads more. I don't think we can do this one. I don't think I'm fit enough.
So we've now just drove to Henley Beach, which is actually the same beach we went to yesterday, and it was a little bit grey and cloudy and windy, so we thought we would come back today to see what it's like actually in the sun. Look over there, Hollie. Sunny.
Beautiful.
Now we are talking, Hollie.
Look at this space. Why isn't everyone at the beach?
So if you do actually come to Henley Beach, which is flipping gorgeous, look at that, Hollie.
Overexposed, but gorgeous.
Gorgeous. We just come into this place. What's it called? Malobo? They do the best sweet potato fries we've ever had. I would love to have showed you, but this is the remainder of it. Dips with like hummusy, dippy things and sweet potato fries. It's the one. Oh, and also coffee's pretty good as well. What an awesomely incredible beach this actually is. Look how like open and quiet it is. Oh, the sky's blue, the waves are lashing the seafront right now. Oh, dudes, what an awesome day we have had.
I think the dog wants to make friends. What's he gonna do? Yay! How are we gonna leave him?
Everywhere we go, we find dogs. We have to play with them. Go!
Bye, doggy!
Alright, we have now just made it back, and I think this is the perfect time to end today's video. I just want to say thank you guys so much for hanging out with both me and Hollie today. If you have enjoyed today's video, please give it a big fat thumbs up. It really does make a huge difference, and it is amazing that you like these videos. And why don't you comment down below maybe some ideas of what else we can get up to whilst we're here in Adelaide. If you know of anything we can do whilst we're in Adelaide, comment them down below right now. If you are new, hit that subscribe button and that bell to be notified when our next videos go live. Until next time,
see you tomorrow.
See you soon.